guys, October 22nd, 2021. So here I gotta go do an annual service on the Riello burner. The Barris boiler, direct vent, and it's a Riello burner. I do it every year. It's down on next to the water and shit. Kind of in the garage area. I'm surprised the guy didn't put it up. It's in the garage and it's not up 18 inches off the floor, which I thought was a little odd, but I didn't install the system. Pretty sure that's just for gas. I'm not sure if that's on the oil side also. I should look into that. I'm not sure that code is for the oil also. I know if it's gas, it's going to be up to 18 inches. I'm pretty sure it should be up 18 inches either way if it's in a garage. That's the code. But this one's right on the ground, which is kind of odd. But I'm just going to go there to do the burner service. Miss Molly, you're looking very stylish this morning, Miss Molly, with your sweater on. Yeah, I know you do. You love the sweaters, huh? You love sweaters. Miss Molly. Yeah, Miss Molly. Your little peanut. She's very delicate. She's a very delicate little girl. Yeah, you're very delicate, Miss Molly.
But you're right, you still have to get in there. Administrative stuff and, show your face. I guess,
everybody gets used to working from home.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, well, my guy's been coming in most of the time. I guess that's not something you can do in your business.
Oh, really? I got the burner off already, so I gotta be hands-on, right?
Yeah.
I'm surprised this boiler's not up higher, because usually it's supposed to be 18 inches off the ground in a garage.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not sure if that falls under the oil burners also. I know it does with the gas. Well, because if there's a car in here and there's fumes, it can ignite.
Yeah, we don't put a car in.
So maybe that covers it. Did he ask you that when he built it? When he's doing it? No?
No, I don't think so.
I mean, it is still a garage where somebody could put a car in here, right?
Yeah,
It's like,
I'd have to get a lot of junk out first. No, I don't remember that being an issue. And I think the other one was higher. Because they were extra.
Was it oil before or gas?
Oil.
The other one was higher, right?
I think so, yeah.
It's supposed to be 18 inches, according to code. Man, it's flipping hot in here. This door keeps shutting on me.
Yeah, we can put a little.
I'm gonna prop something up.
Yeah. Yeah, this garage gets warm. Yeah, maybe this will do it.
Yeah, it'll probably work. Yeah, a lot better with a breeze. It's that time of year where it's getting hot and then it's cold and it's hot and it's cold.
Yeah, we always get a breeze here.
You like living here?
Oh yeah, love it.
What's the dog's name?
Mick.
He's kind of he almost looks like a, one of them guys in Africa there. What do they call them things?
I don't know, he's an Irish Terrier.
What do they call them scavengers in Africa there? Hyena.
Hyenas?
You don't think it looks like a hyena? Kinda.
I don't know. Usually, aren't their back legs a little lower or something?
I don't know. He kind of looks a little funky looking there. Yeah, she's a little crusty. He looks like a hyena to me. I think we all are, no? gone up price-wise, huh? Holy shit. You notice it? Inflation up there flipping yin-yang. She's really crusty. Flipping nuts. Crazy. Nuts. Carburetor cleaner, that's all it is. $75.60, that's what we want.
Sounds like it's going to be an expensive winter to heat.
I don't know, why are you saying that?
Just what I'm reading about gas shortages and
Oh, everything's gone flipping crazy, guy. I mean, I don't even know what to think about shit anymore.
yeah.
Inflation and stuff has really gone fucking through the roof.
Yeah.
No?
Sounds like it's going to get worse.
Food and everything.
Yep.
That Buttigieg guy there, he took 2 months off, right? And he didn't have anybody in charge for 2 months. He took some family leave time or some shit.
Yeah.
And all these flipping shit, these ships are out out in the sea, and no one's in charge of it. Can you imagine that shit?
Yeah.
That idiot. They're talking about him for president now. I mean,
Well, he
can't-
ran last time.
you can't make this shit up.
Yeah.
I mean, how stupid. You're gonna take 2 months off, and you're supposed to be running the, transportation shit. You'd figure you put someone in charge, no? No, not these flipping idiots. Unbelievable. What, you think that's funny? Crazy, huh? Yeah, takes 2 months off. Goes on a family, going on a personal time. It's crusty, man. Crusty. Crusty as hell. Yeah, a little rough.
Yeah.
That's why we clean it, right? That's why we clean it, change a nozzle and do our stuff every year to it. Keep it from getting too bad. got this one lady that calls me. She's got a problem with a toilet that broke. So she called me a while back, and she wanted me to fix her broken toilet. It's like, lady, you got to replace it. So now she's calling me back, and she said it's just the tank that needs to be replaced. You know, she got this shit at Home Depot 5 years ago, you know. I said, well, you can't just buy a tank. You got to buy the whole toilet. And she's... I told her I'd call her back with a price.
You do plumbing work as well?
Yeah, I'm a licensed plumber, yeah.
Yeah.
Calling me. Oh, my son fell into the toilet and cracked it. I want you to go over there and repair it, she's telling me. I said, lady, if the toilet's cracked, I mean, you can't fix it. Because that's like a lawsuit, you know? What are you going to do, epoxy it? It's China. You got to change it.
How do you fall into a toilet?
I have no idea, you know. I think her son's like, he's one of these kids that just stay home all the time, so. This will always be windy here, huh? Right on the water.
Yeah, it is. Sometimes it's too windy.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, inland if it's not really windy, but on the water, forget it. Yeah. In the middle of the winter, it must really be bad and cold.
Yeah, especially when the wind's out of the northeast, because we got like a mile, 8/10 of a mile or so of open, you know, the upper end of the bay, and the wind just gathers speed. Nothing to block it. Move that stuff out of there if you want.
I just gotta jump out one of the so it oil will run, you know. Get in there too much. Just one of these. That's so it runs. Gonna check the oil flow. Check our oil flow. See what we got for oil flow there. Then we'll know if the filter's dirty.
Okay.
I'm gonna check if I'm getting a decent oil flow here. I mean, the filters are still good. We don't need to change them.
Okay.
That's my reasoning. Alright, we'll turn on the power. Yeah, it wouldn't hurt to change that control, put a new one in, because she's definitely doing a little bit of humming there, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, it's been like that for maybe 6 months.
Okay. Yeah, and if you want to go feel it, I mean, you can feel the transformer's really hot.
Yeah, no, no need for me to...
And you could hear it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a matter of labeling everything, disconnecting everything, putting the new control in, and hook everything back up,
Yeah.
and it shouldn't be no big deal.
This system hasn't, I mean, I've had more problems with this system than I did with my old one.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you have oil with the other one also?
Yeah, I had oil, and it was, I think, a Burnham.
Okay.
What is this?
Why did this is the Barris?
Yeah. Well, you've had to, you know, replace a few parts, and this system's not that old.
Yeah, I think I replaced the main operating control,
Yeah.
and
Now we got to replace that. And
I might have did a circulator or something. Obviously, the nozzles and stuff, that's normal.
Yeah. But I think it's only about 5 or 6 years old.
I think it's older than that. You don't think?
Nah.
so we got good flow there.
Okay.
So that's not an issue. So we know our filters aren't all blocked up.
How often do you normally have to replace them?
Filters every couple of years.
Yeah.
Tank. I think I just did it last year. I think I might have put a filter in last year.
Oh, did you? Okay.
I'll have to look at the tag, but what I usually do is I go by the flow out of the pump, and I could tell if things are dirty or not. I mean, if the filters are clean, why change them?
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Should fire right up now once we put a new nozzle in, a new burner head, clean the burner head, and that's the main thing we gotta keep up with. The idea is to do the maintenance on the thing so it's running properly, less of a chance of it breaking in the winter.
Oh yeah. Preventative maintenance.
Yep. And I think I changed this. This broke last year. See it?
Yeah.
That's a common thing. I saved the old ones. Fire it up, see what it sounds like. Nice and clean, no smoke. It's a 6 zone, but you're only using 5. I wonder why you put the 6 one in there. We were going to add another zone in?
Maybe we were talking at one point of building another sort of sunroom out on the deck. I don't know if that was it.
Are you going to do that?
No.
So if I go with...
Yeah.
Oh, they won't let you.
Nope. I'd have to have the floor 20 feet above...
Oh, so you were going to do it, but the town won't allow it.
Yeah.
That a bitch.
Yeah.
Crazy.
You know what's crazy? They'll allow new construction to go out at this level, but they won't allow you to expand.
I wonder why.
Stupid regulations.
So they're allowing the, if it's new construction, they'll allow it, but not with the old stuff.
Yeah. My architect
Right.
dealing with the town.
New nozzle, clean burner head, good draft, good oil flow. Last year I put a nozzle in it, cleaned the burner head, good oil flow, 0 smoke. So it's, I think I did the filter. Maybe I never wrote it down.
I didn't think you did.
I think I changed the filter last year though.
I didn't think you did because normally I have to clean the area out. It's cleaned out now.
Well, we're getting a good flow, so it's still okay. So with that zone control.
Yeah, just let me know.